Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can tag everyone in Slack. So the first option is when you want to tag someone, just write this symbol and with Ctrl Alt and V or Alt 64 and just choose someone. But what you can do is simply make Alt 64 and write everyone. So this is how we can do it. And it can be like here, and look at this. Notify everyone in the workspace. And yep. So, and channel, notify everyone in this channel. So if I'm here, I want to use channel. If I'm in general, I can go with everyone. And you have option to choose. Yeah, this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.